Hello everyone, hope you're all fine. I'm Prashant and today I'll talk about how to use props in React. So props, it is short form for properties in React, are a mechanism for passing data from parent component to child component. They are fundamental for creating dynamic and reusable component in React application. And talking about its features, it is data flow. So props enables unidirectional data flow, meaning data moves from parent to child component, helping maintain predictable behavior. It is immutability, which means that they cannot be changed by the child component, and any changes to the data must occur in the parent component, which then passes new props down to the child. Talking about its third features, which is component communication. So it facilitates communication between component. They allow parent component to send data and function to child component, enabling event handling and data updates across different components. So this is a syntax of basic React function, and here I have imported html.css, and here I've made a component called function show header, and make sure that the first letter of the component name should be big or should be capital, I would say. And here I have to take return everything in return, and here I've taken a division with the class name header. So as you can see, here I have given the features of, or we can say the characteristics of header, the class name header, and yes. And in this component, I have used the props. So for the using of props, I have to write function operator name, sorry, component name, and then props. And since I have taken two class name, two line, I would say, that's why I have used here return and these two sign. Then I have taken in the division class name box. So here I have given the box. It is the features of box, or you can say the characteristics. And yes, here is the first text and the second text. And here I have used the props.x. So since I have to use props, that's why we use here. And then I have used two, three props. That's why I've using. I'm written here. I've written here props.x and props.y. And yes, and here I have print, and here I'm printing it. So this is the first component, and this is the second component where the props is being used, are being used. So yes, show x dot, here are the details of x, and here is the details of y. So I have I have to show the show component three times with the different name. So that's why I've used here three show, and first one is the x, first is show the first article, then the second article, and then the third article. So I'm sure that I have given all the details of the props, and then I'm running it. Also, this is the details of the first text and first text or text and the second text. And yes, so I'm running it. Just a minute. So I'm running from here. So it was like x3. So I have to write CMD, and then Just a minute. Takes time. As you can see, it is perfectly run. It is showing the first component, and this is the second component, and this is the first part of, or you can say the second component's first X or first props here. Then this is the first prop of second component, and this is the second prop of second component. And I have used here three times, that's why it is showing first article, second article, and third article. So yes, similarly I have made for just a minute for 8 also. Similarly I have made here. Here I have used function header, CSS responsive, then function header 1 flashbox cards, and then I've used container here, and in the container I've used prop, and I have taken four division. First one is this, and within one division I've taken three division. First one is this, and within this I've taken three division. First one, second one, and the third one. I've used props X, Y, and Z, and with the class name box H, box F, and box button. Box F H means you can say header, and box F means footer. And yes, and I have here written the details of X, Y, uh, all the details of X, Y, and Z, and I have to print it for the four times. So that's why I've written here four times. So I'm running it. Is X, C, and B. And as you can see, it is perfectly run. This is the first component. Here is the second component. Third component is the whole white part, and within this I have taken and, within this I have taken first. This is the first division, the white part, and within this I have taken three division: first division, second division, and third division. And it is perfectly been run. So here in this video I have dealt with the props. Props are passed similarly to how attributes are added to HTML element. For example, I have used here in the video. And yes, props are a crucial features in React, enabling the creation of dynamic and reusable component and facilitating data flow and communication between components. By using props, React components became more versatile and easier to maintain. So thank you so much for your time and consideration. Hope you have a great day.